Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the scoreboard item on Dress to Impress free play mode. So you're going to go here, which is the judges area, sit on the chair. It only works on like non-private servers for some reasons. Select the score that you want to carry around and just jump. And as you can see, you now can carry around the scoreboard and give 10s to everyone, or 5 or 0. I don't know, I feel like this is just pretty fun to do. And you can kind of like, I guess, dress up like as a judge, or you know those like girls in like boxing games who carry like the signs. I don't know what they're called. I'm so sorry. I don't really watch, so I don't know the term for it, but you can just go and be like, yay, you got a 10, whoop whoop. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.